Christmas is coming.
So you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Honey Lifestyle with a beautiful face, and this is my first video on my new phone. So guys, we're going to be unboxing this thing later. Snack alana I gave my sister from school. So right now we're about to cook fried rice. So let me take it to the kitchen and see what I am cooking. Guys, this is my old phone. Let me this is my old phone. This is my small phone that has served me so long, and I'm so happy. So we're making fried rice. Let me take it to the kitchen. Let's go. Kitchen. I'm so happy to have this food. So today we are going to be cooking fried rice. So we have yellow pepper here, green pepper, of course carrots, spring onions, green beans, and sweet corn. A lot of things here. So come, let us cook this fried rice together. This package. So come on, boss it and know what is from Mr. Ibrahim. It's actually for my father, from his office. So when you first open it, I think it's upside down. So when you first open it, it's Merry Christmas card and Merry Christmas calendar. So we actually opened this. They opened this coffee already. This coffee tastes so good, man. And it came with a cup, a yummy cup. So it also came with this filter of tea. So I'm going to be showing you how it works. So yeah, we have used it, and this is all for this box. Thank you. I don't have meat, so I'm basically looking for meat to cook. So I think my mom got meat, so I'm going to be using this meat. So I'm going to be cooking beef and chicken together. You need a lot of seasoning because it's going to be fried rice. Yummy fried rice. When it comes to fried rice and jollof fry, I prefer to cook fried rice because fried rice is very easy, but count me out when it comes to ingredients. I don't like to cut carrot, I don't like to cut spring onions, I don't even like to cut anything in fried rice, but fried rice is very easy to make. Be adding a lot of seasoning into it. And meat, it's good to be adding bay leaf into it. Yeah, bay leaf into it. So allow my meat to cook, then we'll come back and cook. So let's go and cut carrot and spring onions. I'm putting it on the fire, so I want to cut my carrot and my everything. Everywhere looks so dark, so let's put some music. The rice is on the fire. Adding my fingers into my rice. So what is basically going on here is I was cutting carrots. So I'm still cutting the carrots. Plantain is frying on the fire, and our rice is ready. Just to make ready, I'm done cooking the rice. Just to fry. This is our chicken. And this is my onions, my spring onions, my green pepper. Yeah, so I'm going to be washing all this plate. Done cooking. Look our rice. Look our rice. I'm a chef. If you need a caterer, please call me. I'll come and cook. I'll come and cook for you. Till see my fried rice. Look at the kitchen. Look at the kitchen. I need to start cleaning immediately. Guys, I'm done cooking and this is the rice there. So I want to start cleaning the kitchen. When I'm done cleaning the kitchen, and then I'll show you guys. Thank you so much for watching.